Open your My First Coordinate drawing. Often when you are drawing multiple objects, you will want to check to see if you have positioned them or sized them correctly. AutoCAD has utilities to inquire about distance, radius, area, angle, and volume for 3D. Let's try it out. Draw a circle. Place it anywhere on the screen. Any radius will do. Let's start at 0, 0. Let's move it out a bit. I'm going to do a radius of 2. And click. Draw another circle whose center is a little distance away and a little above with any radius. Go to the Utilities panel and click on the Measure tool. By default, it is in the distance mode. Pick the center of one circle and the center of the other circle. Now look at the command line and see all the information AutoCAD now provides you. It's also on the screen. Let's check the area of the circle. Click on the area, select the object from the menu, and click on the edge of the large circle. Now we're getting the area information of the circle, including the circumference. Using these measurement tools can be very handy. Hit Escape. Save your drawing. Entering fraction values is pretty straightforward if you know AutoCAD rules. Let's draw a line that's 2.5 inches long. Select the Line tool. Start the line at 0, 0. Drag the cursor towards the right along the x-axis. Now type 2-1/2. As you can see, it's entering the distance value using the dash to separate the integer 2 from the fraction 1/2. If we didn't, it would use 21/2 as the number. Hit enter, and it drew the line 2.5 inches long. Right click, press enter to exit the command. In the next step, we're going to change our units to architectural so we can practice entering architectural units. You cannot enter feet and inches unless you have selected architectural units. Type units. Under type, change it to architectural. Change the precision to 1/32 of an inch. And we can leave the rest as is. Press OK. Notice the coordinate read on the status line is now showing us feet and inches. Now we need to change the limits to give us more area to draw in. Type in limits. Change the lower corner to -1, -1. And the upper corner 48, 48 for 48 inches by 48 inches. Now again, use the Z enter, A enter shortcut. And you can see that our little box is down in the lower corner now because we're drawing something 48 inches long. Let's go up to the Line tool and pick the line anywhere to start. We'll pick against the side here at 0 in the X direction. Drag our cursor over. To enter the line 2 foot 6 inches long, we type 2'6". The idea is using the apostrophe to separate the 2 foot unit and the 6 inch unit. We don't have to put quotation sign to represent the inches. If we don't put the quotation sign, it automatically uses the integer as inches. Hit enter. Move your cursor up. We can check it. Right click, enter, measure, pick one end of the line with endpoint object snap. Pick the other end of the line, and you can see it's giving us the 2'6". Hit escape, save your drawing. It is time for you to practice drawing some lines using the different coordinate methods. I would suggest journaling in point form the different input methods and how to activate them, as well as how to enter feet, inches, and fractions.